Hello friends, I am Rajan Patel. Welcome to my channel Samadhan Mind Power and Healing. Today I am teaching about how to make relationship with money. First, starting my program, I want to teach you that there are three type of persons in this world. First is visual, second is auditory, and third is kinesthetic. The visual persons are understanding by vision, by watching, and auditory persons understand everything by hearing, and kinesthetic persons understand everything by feeling, by experiencing. Today I will teach you make relationship with money by all three type. First, we start by 2000 notes. I have so many 2000 rupees notes. First, you have to see one note. What is the design on this note? Writing 2000 rupees, picture of Gandhiji smiling, governor sign, the picture of satellite, picture of elephant, peacock, flowers. In this world, all the persons are not focusing. They have another thoughts and doing another works. So first we have to try to focus on notes. This is the visual technique to build relationship with money. Watch note designs, then do same the things with all these notes. Then touch the note, feel the touching of note, smell it. Smelling and touching is kinesthetic way to build relationship with notes, with money. Then hear the sound of notes. Here. This is the auditory technique to build relationship. While watching, while hearing sound, while touching note, you should have a message by your heart. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for supporting my life. Thank you for abundance in my life. It's not only words. You should have feelings about it. You should have trust that they are making my life easy. The money is energy. Thank you. Smell it. Kiss it. You have to kiss. When you are kissing, you are making relationship with money. Now the turn of 500 notes. Watch the note. What is the writing on the note? What is the design? What is the symbol of Ashok Chakra? What is the color? Touch it, feel it. Watch in the detail. Now smell it. Touch it. While touching, you can close your eyes, because by closing your eyes, you are feeling better. Smell it. Hear sound and message. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for making my easy life. Thank you for abundance and prosperity. Thank you. Now turn off 100 rupees notes. Watch it. Focus on it. The main thing is focus. When you are focused, all the energy are flowing to the notes and you are making relationship with money. Watch what is the design. 100 rupees, governor signs, flower designs. Smell it, feel it, hear it. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for making easy my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now turn off 20 rupees notes. Watch it properly. Smell it, feel it. Kiss it. Here. You can realize that every notes have different sound because every notes have different vibrational frequency. All the universe is a energy. All the things in the universe is energy. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you making easy my life. 10 rupees notes. Gandhiji smiling. Patterns on Gandhiji's. Designs. Symbol of tiger. Reserve Bank's symbol. Picture of tiger, elephant. Smell it, touch it, hear sound. Thank you for being in my life. You should build energy with all the knots because in the energy world there is no knot is too huge and no knot is small. Everything is energy. So you should love every energy of abundance. This is change, 5 rupees coin. Feel it, touch it, smell it, hear it. Thank you for being in my life. 1 rupees coins. Watch it. 2016 model. Ashok Chakra. Sound. Smell it. Touch it. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you making easy my life. Now, the turn of plastic money. Take your ATM card, credit card, debit card. Watch it. Touch the numbers. What is the numbers? Smell it. Touch it. Hear the sounds. Message. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for making easy my life. Thank you. Thank you. This is not only words. You should have feeling and trust that the cards have more than enough balance and your life is so much easy. Thank you. Now take another cards. Which bank cards? What is the numbers? Is it MasterCard, MasterCard? Smell it. Touch it. Hear the sound. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for making me easy my life. Hear the sound, touch the numbers, touch your name, feel your name on the card, smell it, touch it, message it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. In the energy world, gratitude is the best thing for attracting money and attracting anything you want. Because when you are doing gratitude, your aura being expand and you are attracting more and more these things. Take another card, smell it, feel it, touch it. Thank you, thank you. Message it. Doing the same thing with all the cards. Hear it. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you. Now, put the notes in your purse. Make separate departments of all notes. Don't mix all the notes. First, take 2000 notes and put it in the purse. Then 500 notes, put it in the purse. 100 rupees notes, put it separately. Don't take any bills in your purse. Make separate department of bills because is negative energy for your money. 20 rupees, 10 rupees, and different department for change. Now, ATM card holder. Put all the cards in the ATM card holder. Now, take your business cards. This is my business card. Touch it. Smell it. Hear the sound. Make relationship with your business visiting card. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for making easy my life. Because when you have the better business, you have more than enough money. Message your card. Energize your card. When you are going to anyone, you are taking more and more business, premium client to me. More and more money to me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Love your business. And take separate department for your visiting card. Put it in different department. So thank you friends. If you like my video, like it, subscribe it and share it. By sharing, you can do best cause for other person. You can guide him for better life. Thank you.